So Reactiv doesn't just process content, which is digital media like PowerPoint, Excel files, Word documents. It can also take live streams from AirPlay, Chromecast, and even wired connections. So here we have an HDMI input capture card that's going into the laptop. And I'm going to show you how Reactiv can simultaneously take content from a MacBook here and a Windows computer. And what I have is I can open up the devices. Here's my HDMI input. So this content is coming in. Here's my MacBook right here. So I can take that content and move it over. Was it the other way? There you go. Move it over. Now, I can now take this content and throw it over to that monitor and throw it over to that monitor, and at the same time have a PowerPoint document simultaneously. So Reactiv allows you to control wired, streaming, and digital content incredibly easily in a control room, command center, and a boardroom environment.